Hey guys, so this is the Sengso Sq2. I had a whole unboxing video and a video of me attempting to figure out how to solve this, but unfortunately I lost the footage. So I'm going to be posting this video instead, which is going to be just a short review and me showing you my general method of solving this cube. So before any of that, I just want to say this cube was sent over to me for free, sponsored by CubeCo. So thank you so much to CubeCo. If you live in South Africa, please check them out. They have a wide variety of cubes and they have very fast shipping all over South Africa. And they are a really good company. So please support them. And yeah, thanks again, CubeCo. Anyway, getting straight into the short review of this. This puzzle was a lot better than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like a very clunky cube that you had to like align perfectly, but this thing actually barely like locks up at all when you're turning fast. Like it will have like weird ones, like sometimes when you're corner cutting on an edge, a corner, it is weird, but it still corner cuts. So that's a really nice surprise. Anyway, let me get straight into scrambling this while I tell you a bit more about it. So this was made by a company called Sengso or Sengso. I don't know what name they are going by anymore because they keep changing it. But anyway, they also made a Sq0 and a Sq1 version. I already have a Sq1 and the Sq0 is very trivial, so I didn't bother about even trying to get that. But anyway, I'm gonna just show you quickly how I solved this. So what I usually do is I look for one of the yellow pieces, one of the yellow corners in the bottom, and I shift it over to just on the left of the slice. Then I look for its matching piece. You know it's not green because, what's it called? If it were green, it would have to be on the left side, but it has to go on the right side, so it's blue. So I look for the matching blue piece and I put it there. Then I look for the other blue piece, which is here, and pair it up. Also, just note, I can't take a white and blue piece. It has to be a yellow and blue piece. And then whatever color this was, I take the opposite color and put it next to here. So that would be orange. So I take the orange down here. And then just continue doing that. Look for the orange piece and whatever color was here, I do the opposite one next to it. So the green one, like this, until I have 3 full edges. Then I do the same thing, but now using only R and U moves. So I take this one and pair it up with the last yellow piece, which is here. But now there's no more yellow pieces, so I continue with a different, with the white pieces. So I pair it up like this here. This one's orange, the next one's going to be blue, so I pair it up with blue. Then I take the next blue one, and I pair it up with the opposite of this one, which is going to be red, so it's this one at the back, until I have 3. And then I slice it to the bottom, and now I have 6 full edges done. This one just happened to be solved. It's not always going to be like that, but it's nice. Then what I do is I use an algorithm like edge to swap these two and these two. And I do that twice. Oops, I actually messed up a bit there. Okay, there we go. So I do it twice. The first time it moves it over, and then I shift it again, and then when I do it again, it moves this over a second one, and it also restores the bottom one. Then if they are close enough, so a even number that's less than 6, I can just do a 2-move pair up for the last piece, and that preserves everything else. And then it is basically just solving it like a Sq1. So cube shape, then corner orientation, then edge orientation, and then the PBL, which here will be JN and a U perm on bottom. So it's a very fun solve. You can also just solve it intuitively, not reduction style, by using that algorithm I showed just now that switches these two and these two. You can just do it repetitively and move pieces over slowly until it's solved. So you can solve it both ways. It's actually, the other way is easier, but this way is faster. So I choose the faster way because I like speed solving this thing. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, thanks to CubeCo again for sending this cube to me for free. And yeah, check their store out, and thanks for watching this video. See you guys.